I like Zambia. Ah, Zambia, nice, good country. Loads of money there. Felix, you're great. Good stuff. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. So I think we can kick the ball into the park now and we start chasing the ball. Start playing the ball now. Okay. So, right. So you are looking at my screen, I guess. You are looking at my screen. Here is my screen. Okay. My screen is showing up here. And at the moment, I am showing USD Swiss francs, which is 5-minute charts. And I have drawn this box, automatically drawn for me by the indicator. Okay, I'll show you the indicator I'm talking about, though we all know it, but nevertheless, we shall show it again. It's called Sessions indicator, for the benefit of people that are coming for the first time. And inside that session indicator, you got all these parameters. These parameters. Let me make it larger so you can see all the parameters at once. Okay, that's all the parameters inside. As you can see, you got a parameter for Asian sessions, begin, end, and the color. You got another parameter for Europe session, begin, end, and the color. And you got the third parameter for US, begin, end, and the color. And the last one is if you want to display price on the chart, which we don't really need to see the price on the chart because we got the price here already. So let's start with that one. We say, okay, look what, we don't want to see the price on the chart. Thank you. We got the price already. USA color, actually, we don't need to see anything to do with US for now because we are trading Europe only, at least to start. And Asian session, say, okay, we don't want to trade Asian session for now. Okay, if we are going to trade Asian session, we normally use 2 to 3. Okay, for Asian session, but we might get there later on. But for now, it will not show on your charts or on our chart now, not yet. And for US, we use 13 to 14 to test it out. Yeah, so let's just say 13 to 14. Okay, that's a 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., 9 a.m. to 10 a.m., 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. That's what we kind of practice. But right now, we are only going to see this purple color for Europe session. Okay, good stuff. Right, off we go. That's why you see only this one for now. So now we have the box. So, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for action. Action time. Fingers on the buzzer. Fingers on the buzzer, please. Okay. So, this is your candle number 1. For the people that are here already, they know what I'm talking about. Candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Which is your trigger candle? Who is going to get that first? Right, candle 1, candle 2, candle 3. Which one is the trigger candle? Let's go now. Who is the number 1 to get it? Let's see. Fastest finger first. Okay, Franz Kruger, number 3. Okay, number 3, you said. Okay, what are we waiting for? Who else is there? Elijah 3. Elijah 3. Anybody else? Felix, yes. Ali Reza 3. Okay. Any veteran today? Any veteran in the house today? Okay, Pretest. Okay, never mind, Pretest. I know you're new, so you get it. Good. Chikao Diri, number 3. Joseph, number 3. Okay. Keep it going, keep it coming. Who else is we're waiting for? Angela, yes, 3. Omar, 3. Okay? Who else are we waiting for? Come on, everybody. All right, Chikadri 3, Y2K 3. Okay. Okay, so, all right. Great stuff. I said to you, if you tell me your answer is number 1, if you are not the first timer, and you say your answer is number 1, I will say you are wrong. If you are the first timer today and you say number 1, don't worry about it because you will get to understand it. If you tell me your answer is number 2, no, because you can see that number 2 is still touching the line, just as number 1 is touching the line. So the first one that actually give us the great signal to go short is number 3, because it is not touching the line. It's completely outside of the box. It's as far from the box as the sky to the ground. You know, when you have a plane flying at 5,000 feet in the sky, that's how far this is from that line. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to add. So, you remember, you are going to start trading at the close of the trigger candle. This is the trigger candle. So, at the close of it, that is when your trade will start. So, it means our trade will start at the close of this candle. Okay? And then we are going to make sure that our line is a smaller one. We can identify it. Okay? So we know that is where we are starting our trade from here. We are selling at this level here, and our stop loss is right at the top here. Okay, the stop loss is right at the top here, and the trade take profit target, let me make this smaller so you can see. The trade take profit target 1 is actually this line here. Is this box. The size of this box is our TP1. Okay, so let's get it measured. Let's get ready to rumble. I am in the mood of boxing tonight. I don't know why. Maybe I'm missing boxing already. All right, so it's 16 pips. Okay, yes, that's not from the south. So 16 pips is our target. The initial target is 16 pips. So we are going to look for 16 pips as our TP1. So from here, we look for 16 pips and see if we get it. Do we get 16 pips? We got 16 pips right about, oh, we got 16 pips already here. Yes, 16. Let's see whether we get TP2 or 3 or 4. Okay, let's see how many pips altogether. Altogether, we secured 50 pips. Altogether, we secured 50 pips. And we said we are looking for a target of 16. So to me, it looks like we got our TP1, which is 16 pips. We get our TP2, which is 32 pips, and we got our TP3, which is probably 48 pips or thereabout. Yeah, so TP1, TP2, TP3 secured. Job done. Well done. Well done, everybody. You got the job done on USD Chef today. Excellent. Great stuff. Okay, right, so let's see actually what's going on. Okay, let's just analyze. So we can see that this line tend to support the to provide a resistance level for the price to go down. You see, initially we gave a sell signal, and you can see the price seems to go against you initially. Maybe you might be worried around this time and say, oh, am I going to go and hit my stop loss? Your stop loss is over there. And it hasn't given you up to 10 pips yet in order for you to come out of the trade. because if you measure from where you enter to this low line here, it's just about 2 pips, so you don't have enough pips yet. So it looks like it's going against you, but you held your ground. You stood firm. You said, look, I know what I'm doing here. All right. So, and eventually it pays off, because now you got your TP1, 16 pips, TP2, 32 pips, TP3, 48 pips. Great. And then you're off. You're off to the Bahamas for holidays. You're going to Bahamas to enjoy your money. Good. So let's do one more. Let's do euro dollar. Euro dollar. What happened to euro dollar today? Let's see. Ooh, jeez, that's significant. Significant move today. Significant, really significant move in euro dollar. Let's see what happened. Now I'm going to slow down because of the new people. Okay, so that they can understand it. Okay. Now I'm going to try and bring this up a little bit. Okay, let me zoom in again, and I don't want it to look horrible. Okay, I don't want it to look horrible. Right. So this is the box. Okay, this is the box. All right, and okay, I will use this example for the newcomers, so because it might be confusing. Okay. So now we see there is a candle here that closed outside the box. So that candle will give us a sell signal. Okay. So if we add a sell signal here. Okay, sell signal there. So we kind of been tricked into a false trade here, because this is where we are. So it gave us a sell signal here. Okay, we didn't have enough pips, up to 10 pips. So admittedly, you may have been stopped out right here, which is not the worst case scenario. This system is not saying that you are going to win all the trades. No, but the ones you win, you want to win it big. You want to bring the bacon home, right? We only use 5 minutes time frame. Yes, definitely Pretest, only 5 minutes time frame. I will explain it. Okay, it's 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and I will tell you why. Okay, so here you may have been stopped out there. Okay, but now it gives you another chance to go long at the close of this candle. Let me make it bigger. Okay, so at the close of this candle here, this is your trigger candle, you go long. Okay, because this candle is touching the line, this candle does not. So at the end of this candle, you go long. From here, you go long, and your stop loss is right there. But what you should notice is that risk reward ratio is very poor here, because you see this is your reward, the size of the box is your reward, and your stop loss, your trade start from here, and your stop loss is this line here. So it means your risk reward is a little bit bad. So sometimes you may ignore such a trade. Although today it turns out to be a very good trade. So let's measure the size of the box. Let's measure our take profit target. Today is, oh no, it's a lot, 20 pips. So our take profit target is 20 pips. Tepoho, you are not late. You are not late to the party. The party just started. So we're looking for 20 pips. Let's see if we got the 20 pips here. Or actually, what is the maximum we can get? Let's see what the maximum. I think that our maximum will either be here or here. Let's see what maximum we can get from that line. Our maximum is 103 pips. Okay, let's see that one. Same thing. So right, that's 105 pips. Okay, so your TP1 is 20 pips, and over there is 100 pips. So that's TP1 to 5. Okay, definitely you may not be able to get TP1 to 5, but at the minimum you will get TP1 and 2. Okay, So if you get TP1 and 2, it might help you to reduce the stop loss you got from the first trade. Okay? So some people will be able to manage up to TP5. I think I've explained to you how you can do that. So you can split your trade into multiple lot sizes. So instead of trading one standard lot, you can create 0.02 or 0.2, 0.2 5 times and enter all the 5 trades at the same time, but the stop loss, the take profit target is different for each one. All of them have the same stop loss, but the first trade has TP1 as the target, second trade has TP2 as its target, third trade has TP3, TP4, TP5, like that. Okay, so it will not increase your overall risk because you are using the same lot size you wanted to use originally, but instead of going all at once, you just break it down into smaller pieces. Okay, and so that will help you to be able to get up to TP5 if you want to. Some people will just do two trades. They break their original size into 2 and do TP1 and 2. Some people might break into 3 or 4 or 5. We've seen some trade go up to TP8. But that's not common, right? All right, so what are we talking about here? 20, yes, 20 pips. Yes, that's it, 20 pips. Okay, all right, so there we go. So that's the TP5. So today on euro dollar, let's see something else. What happened to USD Japanese yen, or what? Is there anything good about Japanese yen today? Where is it? Okay, so I'm going to use this for the new people to understand how the strategy works. So I will slow down very now. Okay, so for the new people, I am slowing down. So what I'm doing now is to add the top of the hour and the top of the hour. Okay, all right, for the questions about time frame, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are not trading indicators that look for time frame. The 5 minutes this has nothing to do with time frame at all. You will soon see. This is price action. All right, we are looking at resistance and support level. We're not using any indicator, so 5 minutes is irrelevant. Okay, so let's see how we do it. So we got this box that is drawn for us by that indicator. The time is between 7 and 8 a.m. GMT or UK time. That is when the European session starts. So what you are looking for is what direction is going to be preeminent after the 1 hour. So after the 1 hour, when we decide to go bearish, you realize that the market will continue to be bearish for the rest of the day, or at least for foreseeable period. So it's like a train in the station. You want to go in the direction of the train. If you are going to the north, you don't want to go to the south band to catch your train. Otherwise, you go in the wrong direction. So this is the train that is going down. Okay, so what we need to do is wait for the train at some station and hop into the train. Okay, so now let us see how we can get into the train. So the rule of the strategy is very simple, ladies and gentlemen. After the box, we now start to look for a candle that is formed outside of this channel. The candle can be formed below the channel. The candle can be formed outside up the channel. We don't really want to care where it is formed. So far it is formed outside. Make sure when you are looking for the candle, you're not picking a candle that is still touching the line. we are looking for candle that is formed outside and does not touch the line again. Okay, so therefore let us understand this. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit for the benefit of the new people. Otherwise, the regular guys and ladies, they know what to do already, so they will bear with us as we just slow down a little bit. Okay, so I'm zooming in. Okay, so now here, this is box is complete. Okay, you can look at the time here, data window, look at data window. You see the box start at 9:00 and it move on to 9:05, 9:10, and so on and so forth, and the box eventually ended at 10:00. Okay, so from 10:00 you start looking for the candle that is formed outside the box, outside of the channel. So we know this candle is not, that is not, so all these candles are not outside. The first candle that tried to get outside is this bearish candle. It did got outside, but half of it is not full. So we're not looking for a candle that is halfway in, halfway out. We're looking for committed candle. We are looking for committed candle, the candle that's completely outside of the box. So this bearish candle is not committed. We're not looking for uncommitted candles. I got another name for the candles that is not our candle, uncommitted. Okay, so we're not looking for this uncommitted candle. Like this next candle is also uncommitted because it's halfway in, halfway out. No, we don't like that. We want full outside. Okay, so we reverse again. We attempt this our resistance line again, which is the high of the hour. You see, they fail again to break it. These two candles try to punch it, but they have not been formed completely outside, so there's no signal there. And then we're still coming down here up to this little candle here, try to break below our low of the hour unsuccessfully. The following candle also unsuccessfully, and the third candle. Ladies and gentlemen, this big bearish candle is the first one that successfully formed outside of the box. So if you look at it, if I place this properly at it, yes, you can see that this is detached. I hope you can see that it's not touching that line. So this point is very crucial, especially for those who are new. You are only looking for a candle that is not touching the line. Okay, it must not touch the line. If it does, it is not your trigger candle. Okay, it's called uncommitted candle. So now that you found this candle which is completely outside, that is your trigger candle, and that is when you begin to take your trade, and you will take your trade at the close of that trigger candle. Okay, so I will drop a line here to, this is the close of the trigger candle here. You know, this is a bearish candle, so we make it the color to be lighter, so we the width to be lighter. Okay, so that's the close of the candle there. So that is where we go short, so we'll sell at this level. Okay, our stop loss is the opposite line here, which is the high of the hour. That is our stop loss, and as we know, our take profit is the size of this box. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see the risk reward ratio on this trade is better than the first trade we saw, USD Swiss francs, because this one, you can see that the place at which you are entering the market is not too far away, so it's not too bad. So let's measure our reward. Our reward, that's TP1. The first reward, TP1, is 11.7. Let's just call it 12 pips to make life easy for everybody. 12 pips. Okay, so let me zoom out so that we can see the rest of the game. Okay, so this is what happened here. So this is where we enter our short position from, and we're looking for TP1 first. At least the first target is TP1, which is 14 pips. Did we say 14 pips? Actually, we said 12 pips, which is 12 pips. All right. So do we have 12 pips, or how much do we have? Okay, so here we got about 12 pips here, and total we got 35 pips. Actually, no, we got 36.9. Okay, so 36.9. It is possible for you to get your TP1, TP2, and TP3 from there. Okay, but if it's too tight, maybe because of spread and everything else, definitely you will get your TP1 and 2, maybe very close to your TP3. So that is the first run of the day. And I think when the US session open, we see a mad rush on a buy side. So we got a lot of buy order that comes in. If you look at this line on a higher time frame, this point, it could be a support level somewhere here that we are not seeing here, because we are using a shorter time frame to analyze this. So there could be a support line somewhere, but that's not, we don't worry too much about that. We focus on our strategy. Okay, so we see what happened next is this serves as our resistance level now. So price went into the box and came out again. So it gives you another chance to go short. Okay, because of that, it gave us another chance, but our short position now is at the close of this candle. Look at that, it just stayed at the right spot. Jeez. It stayed at the right spot. Okay, what are people saying? Yes, 1-to-1. Yes. How could I know that may continue to TP2, TP3? Is there anything that can help? Hello. Okay, no, you don't know whether it's going to continue to TP1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No. You can anticipate it, although, because if you set your TP targets to up to 5, and if you hit only TP1 and 2, so be it. Then the other 3 position, already you have moved your stop loss to break even, and then you go home either break even, or you can even make TP1 and 2 on those ones. I'll show you how to do the trailing stop very soon. Okay, so now this is our new trade here. We got into a trade here, and we're still looking for 12 pips as well. Let's see if we get the 12 pips. Okay, we are close. Yes, about 12. So we'll get our 12 pips again here for the second trade, and that's where we are now. Okay, so this is right now. So right now it gave us a buy trade, but the market is almost dead, because the session, US session, is almost going to sleep as well. We are rolling into the Asian session very soon. In fact, we are going to market open very soon, close and open in the next 8 minutes. Good. Any question? Okay, let me explain the TP1, TP2, TP3. Okay, I'm going to use this line to illustrate that. So I'm going to let me add 3 lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm just using this as illustration, assuming you have 5, you divided your trade into 5, and you have TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, TP5. Okay, so at the start you don't know where you are going to how long this price is going to go, but you set all your TP already on your broker's platform. So let's assume now you start, this is your trade, right? Let's say this is your trade, and you get into this trade, and suddenly you hit your first TP here. Okay, oh, good stuff, great, good. Yeah, oh sorry, let me put that back. So we get into a trade right here. and that's your TP1. Okay, let's say that's your TP1. Okay, so you got into a trade and you hit your TP1. You say, thank goodness, my TP1, bye-bye. My TP1, bye-bye. Thank you so much. Thank you, my TP1. Where's my stop loss? If my stop loss was over here, I then bring my stop loss to what? To break even, okay? My stop loss was originally over here. Let's make that my stop loss. Let's say that is my stop loss originally over there. But my friend, come over here. I put my stop loss right about there, okay? So that's my trade. So my trade and my stop loss are the same point. That's what is called break even. So I'm breaking even now. So even if this price now reverses back, it will get here and stop me out. Okay? It will stop me out at my trade. Okay, but the good news is we're not ending yet. We hit our TP2. Hooray! TP2 hit. Thank goodness, TP2. So what do? We move our stop loss again to TP. No, this is our stop loss. We move it to TP1. Okay, that's our trade. Let's leave our trade where it is. We move our stop loss to TP1. We protect the remaining trades there. Okay, let's now say we hit our TP3 again. TP3, we hit our TP3. Hooray! All right, so that one is gone. We move our stop loss to TP2 and we wait for this one to go. As soon as this one goes, we move our stop loss to TP3 and then we'll be waiting. So if the price reverses us, it will take us out at TP3. That's how to do it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how to do it. So you're protecting all your trades down to the last minute. So you are not trailing it by 2 pips or 3 pips where you are going to be taken out with the noise of the market. You are trailing it with a big gap, which is the same size as the box. So you don't have to trail it with a very short number of pips. Just trail it with the size of the box. If the reversal is as large as the box, so be it. You are out with some good profit. Okay, I hope that explains it. What are we saying here? Where is the box from? Okay, the box is from here. It's 9 to 10, 7 to 8 GMT, but 9 to 10 if you are using IC market. Okay. Any more question? Right, let's put this one here. Let's put that one here. Any question? Can we trade New York session with it? I've been away for long. Okay, good luck. Yes, you can do New York session. I think yesterday we practiced New York session. We are going to try that today again if we have the time. Okay, excellent. I think Kota, you got it now. Excellent. Okay, Yusuf, you got it. Excellent. Excellent. So I try to explain the way you can deal with the multiple positions. It's so easy. You know, once you hit your TP1, the rest is so easy to follow. You just move your stop loss one step at a time. You hit TP2, you move your stop loss. Hit TP3, move your stop loss. Hit TP4, move your stop loss. Hit TP5, move your stop loss. Even if you have up to 8 trades. I've seen some people on the Telegram channel. Okay, I haven't told you about Telegram channel yet. Let me tell you about Telegram channel, Telegram group. It's a fantastic group where people are helping each other out. Yes, thank you so much. Sandisave, you got it now. Excellent. Okay, so people are helping each other out. So if you are here for the first time, you are not on the group, I will send you the link now. The group, at the moment, we have over 500 people on the group. Can you imagine the power of 500 people trading together? Yeah, and encouraging each other and monitoring each other's performances. You know how good that is. So if you want to become part of that group, yeah, if you want to become part of that group, you want your answers, your questions to be answered by some very good man, great people, let me send you the link, and you will do yourself good favor if you go there. Join now, okay? If you join the group right now as we talk, you will meet like-minded people, great experienced people, intermediate people, beginners, everybody that has something to do with trading. You know, you are going to learn because you have heard a lot of story about, you know, people losing money or people making money. You see people in real life, you know, especially people that you may even know them. So join the channel group now. Click it and join, and then you get your questions answered. Okay, who wants any question? Who has any question? Okay, right. So Yusuf, you ask the question, how can you get the indicator? Okay, so the indicator has been loaded onto the Telegram group. So click that link. When you get to the group, on your right hand side in the group folder called files. So you open that folder files. Under there you see an indicator called sessions.mq4. okay, so you open that sessions, copy that session mq4 and put it in your MT4 platform. Okay, so Elijah, your best bet, the fastest way to get it is now. You can get it as we speak. So just go to the Telegram group, join the Telegram group, immediately download it. It's free, no question asked. Download it and apply it immediately to your MT4 platform. All right, who wants to see something else? Ooh, German, Diad want to see German. Okay, let's see German, which is German, German, which is DE30. Okay, DE30, here we go. Okay, so this is DE30 today. All right, this is the box. This is DE30 today, and that's the box today. Okay, so for DE30 today, I don't think it was great for it today. As you can see, this is purely range market for DE30 today. It's range market for DE30 today. You can do the analysis. I don't think it's great for it today. I think we did look at it yesterday. Yeah, you can see yesterday was fantastic. Okay, so you won't get such day, fantastic day every day. Once in a while you might get a ranging market, because once we have a breakout, we want that breakout to move in our direction. Okay, anybody wants to see anything else? Please don't show the New York session. Please show the New York session. Okay, you want to see the New York session? Good luck, good luck, good luck, man. You want to see New York session? Okay, so what we are going to do now is, let's see, right, let's see US 30. Let's see US 30. Okay, this is US 30. Okay, also it's in a range today. It's a market range today. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're going to change that session. Okay, since some of us want to see US session, so I'm going to turn it on. Turn the US session on. Okay, so I will say US session. What color shall we give it? Any idea what color you like? Any suggestion? Should we make it light gray? Yeah, light gray color. Okay, right. So Euro session still remain purple. Okay, so let's do that. Okay, so now we have American session here. Where is it? All right, this is American session here. Okay, and this is Europe session here. That is American session. So if you go with American session for this particular US 30, you will make some pips here, maybe TP1, TP1 and TP2. In fact, if you look at it, you will make good pips on this one today. Let's analyze it. So you put your 2 lines on that US session. Okay, so you know you go long here at the close of that little candle. Maybe I'll make it bigger so you can see. Yeah, you can see this inverted hammer. This is called inverted hammer candle, right? Inverted hammer. You see that? That is your buy trigger. Okay, so you bought from there at the close of that candle. So let me make that a buy line. Okay, so you bought from that line, okay, and your take profit target is your size of the box, and for this you are looking at 534. Okay, 534. That's the push size of the box, and you went longer. It's a great trade because you see your risk reward ratio is great. It's good. Okay, so 534. Let's see if we make our 534 pips. 534. Now we got 250. Is it 1245? Okay, 245. So 1245, and we're looking for what? We're looking for 540. So in fact, we got TP1 and TP2 on this trade. Hurrah! Excellent. Good luck. Well done. You got that sorted. Look, we're not finished because we came back again into the box. See here, we have no trade. There's no sell trade because there's no candle that is completely formed outside of the box here. Hey, it gave us a great entry again. Second trade here. Can you all see that? Let me make it bigger. Can you all see that? At the close of this candle here, that's a second trade. This candle is touching the line. That candle is not. So you got another great entry. And you're looking for 550 pips. This time around, let's see what we got. 550 pips. Now you got 2,000. So you're looking at TP1, TP2, TP3 at the list. Okay? Is that the end of the game? Oh my goodness, it's not the end of the game. We came back in the box again. Jeez. And it gave us another entry here. It gave us another great entry here. And we're looking for 550 pips again. 550 pips again. Did we get that? 1,200. Jeez. Man, your bag is going to be full of money. Good luck. Good luck. Can you carry that bag alone? Yeah? You would need an escort to help you with that bag, mate. You would need someone to help you with that bag because it's full of cash. You just hit the market, you run, right? You run riot with the market. Okay, so that is the story of today with this. So it's a powerful one for US 30 today. It gives you your TP1 and TP2 here. It gives you TP1, TP2, TP3 here. And it gives you TP1 and TP2 here. So 2 plus 3, 5 plus 2, 7. So you got TP1 to 7 on just one instrument on this strategy. So, hurrah! Well done. Well done. Okay, so that's US session. So let's see whether that US session worked for something else. Who wants to see anything else? Hey, Dari, I like your new name. All right. Thank you. You go. All right. Let me show you something about my new name. If you don't mind. Okay. You know my name has been Make More 8 for so long. Many years you know me as Make More 8. Excellent. I'm still the same Make More 8, but now I want to help more. Make More 8 is a personal personal name, just personal email and name I used to create the YouTube channel. But now I want to help more people, so I'm changing it to kind of a more recognized, something that's relatable to people. So when I say your trade mentor, you know what I mean, okay? I don't have to explain to you what Make More 8 means. You know, Make More 8 is just something I coined. You know, when you want to open a Yahoo email or Excite or Hotmail, you put your name there and they say, okay, we give you 79 at the end, or 25, something like maybe Joseph45 at gmail.com. Okay, so that's how we end up with Make More 8. But now that we are helping more and more people, as you can see on the Telegram, as I said, we have over 500 people there, and I want to help more. So that's why I changed it to your new trade mentor. And I followed up with a good looking website, which actually is going to be beneficial and powerful to mentor all of you guys. Okay, so you'll be on the lookout. That is coming very soon. Okay, so GBP USD or any currency pair, do you want to see that? Okay, quad is 13 to 14. Let me check that. I think it's 13 to 14. Yeah, session is 13 to 14 for the US. Is the 13 to 14 hours for the US. Okay, for the euro is 9 to 10, but remember, if you are using IC market, and for Asian is 2 to 3. Okay, all right. We haven't said anything about Asian market. Thank you so much. Almost 600 in Telegram. Jeez, that's fantastic. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, if you are not on Telegram, if you need this indicator, you got to go there now and click this link and join the group, because when you are there, you can download the indicator and you meet like-minded people. Over 600, you said 600. Gee, 600 people talking about Forex. You know what? The good news is everything they're talking about is this strategy. SBS, Simple Breakout Strategy, nothing else. Okay? So if you have any questions about this strategy, because I know people ask questions like, what is the win rate? What is the percentage of win against percentage of losses? How many pairs can you trade with it? What time frame can you use? What is this time setting for European session? Okay, if I live in North Africa, or if I live in Europe, or I'm in Malaysia, what time should I set my indicator to? Or okay, my broker is Pepperstone, or my broker is FXCM. Okay, what time should I put? All those questions, head straight into Telegram group and post out your question there. We got quite a lot of people there that were very helpful. Very, very helpful people. Okay, so anybody want to see anything else? Okay, you want to activate only UK sessions. Okay, if you want to activate only UK session, all you got to do is go back to your indicator. You click session. Okay, so now you see US is showing. You just click this color for US and set it to none. You say you don't want to see that color. That's it. It's as simple as that. It's gone. Finito. C'est fini. Bye bye. Gone. Can you translate gone in your language, please? I want to say it. Translate. Can anyone translate is gone in your language? I'm going to call it out. Let's see. Let's make a fun out of it. See, finito. Okay, let's say finish. Finito. Vamouche. Vanished. Gone. Who else? What's other language? Yeah, French. I want to hear French. German. Portuguese. Any other language? Africa language, Caribbean, maybe Asian languages. So what is Finnish in your language? Type it. Let me see. I'll try and pronounce it. Okay. Okay. So that's it. So okay, Puru. Okay, Tanum. Opari. Opari. All right. Philly Zulu. Okay, Philly. Finish complete. Okay. Kupeli in Zulu. Okay, Ochitan. Ibon. Okay, keep it coming, please, guys. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Yeah, Ibon. Okay. Okay, if you can put your country there or your whatever that language is from, so I can shout it out for you. Okay, I will need to know your language. Okay, het is weg. Demi, that is Dutch. That is Dutch. Het is weg. Ifeli, that's Costa. Okay, Costa. Okay, Costa. Robert, Adam. Yeah, okay. Finish. Adam, finish. Kufelili. That's Zulu, South Africa. Okay, Pin Kwazili. We call it in Maliza. Okay, Kiswali. Oh, Kuswali. Okay, in Afrikaans it's Kla. You done, Angela. Where is that, Angela? You done. You done. You done. That is Welsh, man. Angela, that's Welsh. You done. or Scottish. Okay, Scottish. You done, mate. Are you done, mate? Tamun. Okay, from Iran. Okay, Tamun. Okay. Dami. Okay, in Yoruba, it's Opari. Okay, the New York time is 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. New York. Ihambele. Which country is that? I guess it's going to be, is it South Africa? South Africa, I guess. Ihambele. Kofedise for Lesotho. Kofedise. Okay. Oh, I enjoyed today, man. I really enjoyed today. Yay! Good stuff. Okay, keep it coming. If you haven't said your own language, I'm going to push it out. Okay? So I've seen a lot from Africa. I've seen from US. I don't know to know about US. It's only one language. There's only one language you have in the UK. Sorry. UK, you can't talk. You got only one language. US, you got only one language. Okay, Jamaican. Okay, all right, good. You done. Sound like if you're a Scottish person, or like a Liverpool, you're from Liverpool, UK. There's some accent, so like you dumb it. Are you dumb it? You dumb it. Good. Lilacs, he says Zix. I hope this is the word we are looking at. Zix the female. All right. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for that. It's so funny. I like it. I enjoyed it. So funny, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love that. Okay, Demi. I know what you are saying. Who Penta Zulu, meaning you are the best. Okay. Uwu Penta Zulu. Uwu Penta. Kwampa. Elijah Kwampa. Alright. Kwampa. Okay. Thank you so much. It's so funny. So fun. I'm gonna keep this video, guys. Alright. Thank you so much. So if you don't want to see the US color, you just set it to none, and you'll be left with just the Euro color only. So you will see now that this color will be gone. Right, this color will disappear, and then you only see the Europe color. So the same thing apply if you want to see the Asian section only. So in terms of that, you can take out the Europe. Say, no, I don't want to see you. I want to see my Asian color. So let's make that, let's call it a green. Okay, green color. Now your Asian box will be somewhere here. That's your Asian box now. Okay. Excellent. Good stuff, everybody. Thank you. All right. Okay, so this way, the indicator is for MT4. Okay, it's for MT4 platform. I think you might be able to get one for MT5, but you may have to look around. Okay, but this very one is for MT4. Okay, so this is Asian session, and this is US 30. Okay, you realize that we just make some good bucks on American session for this same instrument. Now this same instrument today is giving us another opportunity to make bucks on Asian session. As you can see, this could have given you a sell position from that candle here, and you will be looking for how many pips? You'll be looking for 834, and let's see what you are going to get. 834, you get 980 or 900 and what? 939. So definitely you hit your TP1, and that is the story of the no, not the end of the story. You can still get in the market here. You hit your TP1 again. You still get in the market here. You hit your TP1 again. So TP1, 2, 3 trades and 3 profits. Excellent, ladies and gentlemen. Who wants to see something else, or you want to continue with the joke? I think no one wants to trade anymore tonight. Nobody wants to see any charts. They want to chart. They don't want to see any euro dollar again. They want to chart. They want to make fun. I like to make fun as well. Okay, so Carol, you live in Nigeria. What is the time for UK session? Okay, yeah, it's the same time. Carol, it is 9 to 10. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. That's it. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay. Yes, that's yeah. Good luck. 13 to 14 is the setting on the indicator for New York session, based on IC market. Correct. Okay. Yusuf, you know what? Let me encourage everybody. If you are here now, just do me a favor. Join that group now. Okay, click it now and head to the Telegram group, because you know I cannot answer all your questions tonight, and some of them I don't even have answers to it. For example, I don't know what hot forex time zone should be, but when you head off to the Telegram group, where you have about 600 people with different brokers from different countries, definitely someone will be from your country and also using the same platform as yourself. Even if they are not from your country, so far they are using the same platform, you are going to get the same time. Okay, so it's going to be easy. And also in the morning at 8 o'clock, once the box is formed, completely formed, I will come on the Telegram group and post my chart. So you go to see my chart first-handed and see what the box look like and where the box should be. So you use that my chart as your example, and then you set your own accordingly. So every morning you're going to see that, so you are not going to be confused at all, because all you need to look at where my box is and match it to your chart and place yours exactly at the same spot. It's going to be so easy to do. Thank you. Good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. All right. Yes, about the mentorship program. Please be aware that it's coming very soon. Already I've had a lot of people have booked with me already to start with me, but I want to officially open it very soon, and we give all of you equal chance to book. No one is going to be left behind. It's going to be amazing, you know, amazing. In the forex market, you are going to see now that people will start to make money. Okay, whether you are new or you are a veteran or you are a new trader, you're going to get the direct access to me, and then we are all going to make money together in Forex. So be ready as it comes. Yusuf, all right. Anybody wants to see anything else tonight? Do you want to see anything else tonight before we close the shop? Okay, let's see. Oh, you know what? We haven't seen something. Who's forgotten? Somebody's forgot about nickel, JP225. Yeah, JP225. No one's remind me of that. Why? Let's try JP225. JP225. Here we go. Let's see. This is JP225. Maybe it doesn't look. Let's see what happened today. JP225. Oh, it looks good today as well. Wow, that's JP225. Okay, so Flanders is not here today. Okay, that's why we haven't heard of this JP225. All right. Okay, Elijah, you want to see GBP USD? Hang on in there. Hang in there. Yeah. Thank you so much. You Vuyo. So you are mentee. You are all my mentee. Okay, good. I hope I can fit everybody in. I hope I can fit everybody in. Right. Okay, so now when we look at JP225, which is nickel, and we know that this is Asian box. So let's see how it performed in Asian session. Okay. So, oh great. Let's see where the entry is. Yeah, we got the entry here. We got our entry there. The close of that candle. That's where our entry is from. We enter there, and let's see our box size. Box size is, let's just say 153 to make life easy. 153 is 1,000 something, but let's call it 153. Also, we are going to short this one also. Instead of saying 2,000 plus, we say it's 260. Okay, so 260. That make almost TP1 and 2. 260 against 150. Okay, TP1. So you made TP1 there. Fantastic. Okay, right. Well, we can, if you want to go into trade, this is another opportunity for you to go into trade, but this is still ongoing. Okay, excellent. Okay, somebody wants to see GBP USD. All right. Let's get it on there. GBP USD. Here we go. Okay, this is today. Oh wow, look at Asian box for you, GBP USD today, ladies and gentlemen. You know, we always focus on Europe session. We don't really focus on Asian session and the Asian 1 hour. But look at what happened to GBP today. Most of the money has been made in Asian session. most of the okay, another one. Money. How do you call money in your language? Okay, it's gonna be fun today, mate. I'm in the mood. I am in the mood. So most people have made money on Asian session. So money is called what? Cash. Yeah. What about your language? What is money? It must be the easiest one to know, right? Money. What is money in your language? All right. So money. So most people have made money. They collected the load of cash here today from Asian session. They don't even wait for Europe session to start. They make their bucks and off they go. Oh, Tabang. Oh, Y2K say, oh, whoa. Oh, okay. All right. I'm going to read it. Okay. Mali. Oh, is it Mali? So Sandiziwe is Mali. Okay. Malian is the name of a country. Can you imagine? Okay. Mali. All right. Isuzu. Okay. Paiza. Hello, Ali. How are you? Okay, Yusuf, Yoruba language. Oh, oh, fuck. Today is a great day, man. It's ringing. Okay, yeah, I've heard of that. It's ringing. Okay, okay. Okay, it's ringing. I've heard of that. Fellows. Okay, fellows. Fellows in Arabic. Ah, super. Okay, fellas. Give me some fellas, man. Give me some. I need some fellas today. I need some Owo today. I need some Paisa. Ah, who has some Mali, Mali for me? Right? Who has some Mali for me there? Hey, man. Demi, where are you? Demi. Jeez. Jeez. Shillet. Okay, Shillet. Give me some Shillet there. Shillet. I need some Shillet there. Okay, Taban, give me Shillet. I need some Shillet. Okay. All right. Good, Ali. Pool. Yes. Who has some pool there for me? Some pool. I need pool. Yeah. Just a little bit of maybe 5 million pools. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna pull out the pool from the market. Okay, let's get out the pool from the market. We're gonna get Shelite from the market. We're gonna get Chankura from the market. And we're gonna pull out fellas from the market. Okay, fellas. Yes, we're gonna pull out fellas from the market, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, excellent, good stuff. Oh, wow. Imali, we're going to pull Imali from that Forex market, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's see how much Imali we got out of this GBP USD today. Let's see how much Imali we got out of it. Imali, how many Imalis? How many Imalis? Let's see. Good. So we got into a trade. Actually, we got into trade right there. We got into a fine trade right there, right at that point. We're going to trade right at that point here, right here. Oh, Pesa. Okay, let me see how many Pesa have you got. Let's see whether we got 50 million Pesa. Pesa, 50 million from GBP USD. Let's see how many Pesa we got. Okay, so now we enter a short position here. As you can see, let me expand this. As you can see, this candle did not touch the line. So that's your trigger candle. That's your trigger candle here. So you got into a sell trade right at that line. Okay. And your stop loss is on this line. Just add 1 or 2 pips on top. And then you got your take profit as what? As what? Your take profit is 16 pips. Okay. You have 16 pip take profit. How many did you get? Yeah, 16 pip. You end up with 58. So, ladies and gentlemen, we were looking for 16 Imalis, and we got 58 Imalis. We got 58 Pesa. We got 58 what again? Owo. We got 58 Cheliti, right? We got 58 Amachukura. We got 58 fellas. We got Pesa. We got 58. Wow. All right. We got 58. Okay. Good people. This is wonderful. That's great. Okay. So this box actually worked again today. This is for Asian session. It worked magic for GBP USD. In fact, let me zoom out so that you can see what happened. So this is our session here. So you can milk it up to maybe TP4, probably or more. Milk it here, and then we go to Europe session. Okay. So if we are going to draw the Europe session, let me put the Euro box there for you. Indicator. Let's add the Euro box. Let's add the Euro box. Let's make it, we were using purple before, or whatever. We use dark orchid this time. Okay. See, that is the Euro box for you. So here as well, you make good pips. Let me just make sure that is the correct time for Euro session. Yes, that's correct time, 9 to 10. Okay, so you got good entries and make good bucks, good owo, good pesa, good imali, good pool. We make good chileti. We make good amachukura from Asia, and then we come back to Europe. We make some good money as well. And let's see what happened in the US session. Finally, let's see US session, what happened there. US session. Okay, so let's say US session also, we are trading that. And let's put that color, whatever color. Let's put it sky blue. And it's starting to, no. That's not the right one. This is color we are looking for. Yeah, this sky blue. Let's put it sky blue. Or hot pink. Okay, we put it hot pink. Okay. Right. So this is American session here. Yeah, you will make good bucks here. In fact, the majority of the money also is in the American session today. I clap for all of you guys because you've made my day. You have made my day. You crank me up today. You crank me up. I laugh so much. Okay, can we register using BTC on your website? That's a good point. Okay, let me show you my website quickly. Okay, but don't register yet. Oh my goodness, guys, you want to go there yet? You want to go there immediately? Okay, so this is the website. You can see my face there. So that you know that you are dealing with a genuine, correct person. So because if you go to my YouTube channel, you see the same thing there. You know you are dealing with me. So you got get registered. So when you got get registered, you click there. So I'm offering 3 different packages. I'm offering a silver package. I'm offering a gold package, and I'm offering a diamond package. Okay. So the silver package are for anyone who wants to come on the website and dip their feet and their teeth and their hands in everything that is going on the website. Okay, everything that is going on. Okay, you get the videos, you get the live sessions, you get the chat, you get everything in there. Okay, but these silver people don't really want one-to-one mentorship. Maybe probably they are in a later stage. Maybe they've already got what they want. They are already trading. They are already super successful. They know what they're doing. Then gold package is for a group that also want to be in the website, enjoy every bit of it, but they want just a little bit of mentorship, not much. They want 1 day mentorship, just 1 day, or for a day it's 2 hours. So they want a day mentorship. And this diamond package is for someone who really wants a thorough, holistic mentorship. They want to know everything about their trading, how their trading has been going. They have some concern about how to trade properly, select the right strategy, and hold their hands until they become a successful trader. So that's the diamond package. So that's a 3-day mentorship. Okay, for diamond package. Okay, so we just go on the website. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to log in so you can have a look. I'm going to log in as a gold member. So a gold member is somebody that just wants a 1 day mentorship. Yeah, a gold member wants a 1 day mentorship. Okay. So, at the moment, this is a fantastic UI you are going to get. This is your dashboard. Okay, so your dashboard, you can see if you need to open a broker's account. Here is so important because here is where you are going to book your session with me. So as a gold member, you have a 1-to-1 mentorship with me. So you will see on your dashboard, you will see a lot of dates available. and then you can just click anyone that you want to join when it's available. You click it, and I will see, and I will respond, and then we'll book a meeting with you. So then it has what is called a reward program as well. So it has a reward program. So the reward program is, if you refer a friend, you can actually also make money by referring a friend. Okay, you get paid for each friend that you refer. You can put the name of your friend here and refer them, and then you get paid for that. So from what you get paid with, you can use that to pay for your renewal fee, or you can use that as well to just collect it cash. Okay, so it's up to you. So under that, under resources, you got quite a lot of resources here. You got my videos, you got available resources, you got training videos. This is fantastic. You know, I've seen a lot of different portals, but when you come on this one, you will like it because it's full. It's full of different stuff. Okay, you will get brand new videos, you get brand new one-to-one mentorship, you get brand new strategies, and I will give you specific direction how to trade. Every day I will come out and speak, and we are going to have a live room as well. So ladies and gentlemen, it's not ready yet, but very soon it's gonna be ready. Tabang! Don't register yet. Oh, because I'm preparing something for all of you. So because I know you've been with me for a while, so just wait a moment. You are going to, I'm going to announce it to all of you first before opening it to anybody else. Trust me, because I know I have limited space I can give to people. So I'm going to announce it to this group first before I announce it to the world. Remember, if you go to, let's say just go to YouTube channel. You go to YouTube channel, and you go there. If you go to my website, my YouTube channel, for example, look at how many people you will be contending with. That's nearly 40,000 people. If I open it up to 40,000, you know that we're gonna get quite a lot. So I'm gonna open out to you guys first, and once you take up the opportunity, then I will open to everyone else. So we are looking in the next few weeks to start. Okay, so get ready. It's not yet go. It's on your mark. It's on your mark. Set. So on your mark, set. And you can see that recently I've updated my channel art to just show the website. And as you have mentioned, also I've updated my name. Instead of Make More 8, it's now your trade mentor. Okay, your trade mentor. And you can see some of the videos that we just upload. And this is the live one we are talking about now. This is where we are now. So we are live. That's you there, man. That is you there. Collins, that is you. Ali, that is you there. Tabang, that is you. I'm seeing you there. Okay, who else? Mohammed, I can see you there. Godfather, I can see you there. Sharon, you are new to the channel. How do I get the strategy? Okay, right. So if you are new to the channel, here is the Telegram group. Click it right now and go and join the group, because the indicator is already in the group and discussion is going on as we speak in the group. Okay. Yeah. You want to see yourself, Ali? You want to see yourself inside here? Yeah. If I click here, you'll be surprised. You're gonna see yourself there. You will see your own chart. You will see your name there, right? You will see that you are chatting. Good. Oh, all right. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Can we see your chat there? Where is the chat? Oh my goodness, this is so fun. This is fun. Okay, you want to see yourself? Look at yourself there. Collins. This is Collins. This is Ali. That is Timothy. That's Vuyo. That is Ali. Who else is there? You want to see yourself? Now you can see yourself. You can see yourself now. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tonight. I really had a good time. Thank you so much. Vuyo, no, not yet. Not yet. You are not yet a veteran. Don't sneak into a veteran group. But you are getting there, okay? I think you've made 3 badges today. You have to make 7 badges. I think you've got 3 badges already, so you have few badges to go. Let's see. See, Yusuf, this is your hand. You can see your hand there, Yusuf. This is Alice smiling. Alice smiling. Good stuff. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you have not joined Telegram group, just join now. Join that group and download the indicator. Get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be another great day. You can read about people, the way they trade. Let me tell you as well that some people vary the strategy a little bit. It's still the same core SBS, Simple Breakout Strategy, but some people do use different time, like Asian session, or some people use American session to trade. That's all welcome, okay? And the good thing is that you may not be able to watch all the currency pairs at the same time, but somebody else is watching GBP card, somebody else is watching Aussie dollar, somebody else is watching cable. So by the time you see about 600 people watching different charts, you will get the idea, okay? So thank you so much, because now you can see yourself. I told you will see yourself. Now you see yourself, right? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I think I have to go now. I have to go now because you guys, you cranked me up today. I laughed so much. So thank you. Okay, we need to talk. Okay, Tabank, we need to talk. I know, we need to talk. I need to talk to all you guys, especially from different regions. We want to come to South Africa. We want to come to Dubai. We want to come to America. We want to come to Europe. We want to come to meet you, So I would need you. I would need your help. Everybody here, I need your help to get things organized, okay? So that we can spread this love and we can spread this success, okay? Don't let us keep it to ourselves. Let's spread it, okay? So thank you so much. I am glad tonight because I was able to make it. It looks like it's late to start late, but as we always said, it is not those people that start first that become successful. It's those people that stay there to the end. So you guys, you stayed here to the end, and it was fantastic talking to you tonight. I know what the money is calling your language now, isn't it? I know what is finished.